Hi there, Nancy here. Listen up as I share my latest tips on bringing in the big fish.
People, and particularly donors, philanthropists, don't like surprises. So what I would do is say, hey, Nancy, I have got something I want to talk with you about. I'm so excited, and I think you will be too. It's how you can support ABC. You've been so supportive in the past, or maybe the person's never supported, or you've been to our events. They have to have something. They can't just be cold. They've either been to your events or they've shown up on a free webinar that you've offered. There's some reason. I mean, you have to have some reason, or they've done a tour, or they came with a friend. There's something. But just say, I know you like such and such. No surprises. Just always preface it with, I'm excited. You can come to the table, to the conversation with passion. It's infectious. It is just infectious. And then you've got their curiosity up. Is Nancy has something she wants to ask me, and I know it's about a gift. I don't wonder what it is. What is it she's so excited about for me? So you're focusing on them. She's excited about this for me. You've put it all on them and you're excited about it. And you should be, because you aligned it. You learned what their values, interests, and passions are. And you go, oh my gosh, this is perfect for Mary. This is perfect for Nancy. I can't wait to ask her. I still remember a donor I asked, and we were in a big event, and I want to get with you at some point. She found me. She said, I'm ready to talk. I want to hear what it is you have to say. And it was like a 3 or 5 day event, and she wanted to know right then. She knew it was a gift I was going to be asking her.
Be sure you are signed up to receive my quick tips and strategies each week by clicking the link here. Here's the thing, I focus on large gift fundraising. Multiple studies show around 90% of gifts come from around 10% of your donors. In other words, major donors carry the load for successful fundraisers. If you're not learning the ins and outs of large gift fundraising, you're missing out. So sign up and join me when I offer trainings and other opportunities to learn more about large gift fundraising. Just click the link here and I'll see you on the inside.